What's your name?
Alexi.
Okay. What's the last 4 of your social?
She don't even know it.
You don't know it?
I don't know. I don't remember.
Alexi. No medications, anything you need to take while you're in?
Still been like bleeding, so I don't know if she needs.
Do you
like,
have any? They do. I don't know if they have tampons.
They do have family products.
Okay.
Okay.
But I'm pretty sure if you take your own, you can use your own if you need it.
Can she?
Yes.
Do you want to grab some? Can she grab some of that right quick?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Tough Topic. My name is Brittany. I hope everyone is enjoying their day. And for those of you who have been keeping up with the Alexi Trevizo case, there is a huge update. So the last I reported, Alexi's case is open and trial is expected to start later this month. Well, back in July of last year, Gary Mitchell, the attorney of Alexi, filed a motion to suppress all statements made due to patient doctor confidentiality and HIPAA. In the document, it says that 19-year-old Alexi gave no consent to disclose her medical records, videotapes, lab tests, lab reports, pictures, personal identifiers, birth date, phone numbers, social, and any other records. She did not consent to the doctors or staff disclosing her confidential information. In the documents, it also talks about the HIPAA privacy rule and that it was violated given the hospital may have disclosed certain details to law enforcement. This motion was granted by the court, and everything Alexi talked about on footage with her mom in the room, law enforcement and doctors will not be used during the trial. But how exactly will this affect the jury's decision? Now, I personally do not think that it will change anything in this case. If this case is actually built by facts and evidence, not statements. I'm sure the prosecution knew the defense was aiming high for those statements to be thrown out. So they knew to make sure all of the facts, including the baby's autopsy report, which will be the biggest one of all. Now, of course, the report says that the baby's cause of death was suffocation, which means that the baby had air in his lungs when he was born. That's going to be what pulls the most weight because the defense is going to try and say the baby was already passed away. The prosecution will also use evidence of Lexi trying to suppress evidence of her even actually giving birth. Now, she did go to the restroom. She used it. She was in there an unusual amount of time. On the video footage, you can actually see several nurses coming to check on her, even her mom asking if she needed help. But Lexi said no, she refused. She tried to obviously clean up the mess and she threw the baby in the trash can and intended for no one to find it, especially of how the placement of the baby was at the bottom. The jury will still have to hear from the staff members who witnessed exactly what they saw in that bathroom, which was nothing less than a gruesome murder scene. Alexi has been living a pretty carefree lifestyle. I mean, she did go to prom just a few months after this happened with her boyfriend. She's not been seen a lot, but she was spotted at a movie theater at one point. She also was spotted at a Walmart with a significant difference in her appearance. Now, keep in mind, Alexi did attend a few things that were mandatory, but I did want to say statements from friends and team members from her cheer team will be used, but a few of them have come forward saying that Alexi actually knew that she was pregnant and told them that she was going to name the baby Alex. Seems like the prosecution does have a lot to work with, even though we will not be able to use the statements that Alexi gave from the hospital. Now, the pre-trial hearing is July 22nd. Alexi is still trying to hold the hospital accountable by stating they gave her pain medication that caused her to go into labor and caused the death of her baby. Alexi is being charged with murder and tampering with evidence. So let me know what you guys think. Do they have a lot to work with in regards to the defense now that we're not able to use these statements where she said, oh, it wasn't breathing, or I didn't know. Will they have something to work with now that we're not even using that at all? Let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out. Bye for now.